In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create approvals in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular task into an approval, so it's crystal clear who needs to review something and give a final decision. This is a simple change you can make in just a few clicks, and it helps your team avoid confusion about what's ready to be signed off. First, make sure you're looking at the task you want to turn into an approval. You can be in list view, board view, calendar, or anywhere you can see your tasks. Click the task to open its details pane. This panel slides in from the right side of your screen and shows the task's title, assignee, due date, description, attachments, and comments. If you prefer more space, you can expand the pane to focus on all the details without leaving your project view. With the task details pane open, look to the top right corner for the three dots icon. This is the More Actions menu. It looks like a small vertical stack of dots and holds additional options that aren't shown up front. Clicking this menu is how you get to special task types and advanced settings without cluttering the main interface. From that menu, choose Mark as Approval. The wording should appear exactly like that. When you select it, Asana converts the task from a standard task into an approval task. Nothing else about your task is lost. Your assignee, due date, attachments, and conversation stay exactly where they are. You're simply telling Asana and your teammates that this item requires an approval decision before it's considered complete. Right away, you'll see a visual confirmation. The task icon changes from the usual circle to a square icon with an A. That small change makes a big difference. In a crowded project, it helps approvers spot what needs their attention at a glance, whether they're scanning a list or moving cards across a board. It also adds structure to your process by clearly separating work in progress from items that are ready to be reviewed. A couple of quick tips to make approvals even smoother. Keep your task title clear and action-oriented so approvers know what they're reviewing, and include any relevant files or links in the description so they don't have to hunt for context. If you don't see the Mark as Approval option, double-check that you've opened the task's details pane and that you have permission to modify task settings in your workspace. That's it. You've turned a regular task into an approval in Asana with just a few clicks, bringing clarity and accountability to your review process.